Hey guys, thanks for coming to this video. So today I wanted to talk about my favorite, more natural skincare, beauty products, all that kind of stuff. These aren't all like 100% natural or organic or vegan or anything like that. They're just more natural and, you know, taking a step towards skincare that's definitely better for you. I just feel like there's so much bad stuff in a lot of skincare and makeup and beauty products that we just don't need to be using. Like with the high rates of cancer and just all these bad things that can go on with your health, I just feel like anytime you can use something that's better for you, that's got good ingredients, that's more natural, then let's do it. So I wanted to share all of my favorite things. I noticed too with a lot of more natural stuff, natural beauty products, they're not good. Like sometimes the texture is off, or the smell is weird, or it just doesn't perform as well. A lot of times I'm not willing to sacrifice the efficiency of a product to switch to a more natural one, but as times go on, I feel like more and more companies are finding ways to make things that work really, really well, or even better than the non-natural stuff. So if you guys want to see all the stuff that I have found, then let's get on into it. So I am thirsty. Alright, so the first thing I want to talk about is how I get my self-tan glow going on, and that is this Miami Gorgeous La Playa self-tanning mousse, La Playa Glow self-tanning mousse. I love this stuff. I get it on Amazon. It is $19.95 for a bottle. I just use this once a week, so like usually Friday night I'll do like a nice relaxing bath and like shave my legs and everything, and then I'll use this. So I just use it once a week, and this is just a more natural tanning mousse compared to a lot of the other ones. It says it's formulated with the highest quality ingredients that will make your body look stunning, enriched with argan oil, vitamin C, vitamin D, coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, elderflower extract. This quick drying self-tanning mousse replenishes skin as your sunless tan develops. So I just love that it has all the vitamins and things that are just good for your skin. I just feel like when you're applying something to your body or your face or something repeatedly, like every day or every week, it should be something that is good for you. So that way we're not just always putting these chemicals and just really bad for you stuff on your skin. Because it does, your skin absorbs everything. So I love using this. It's not streaky at all. It's one of the best tanning mousses I've used, and I've tried a lot of different ones. You know, it just gives me this nice tan glow in the winter, and I love that because I am someone who's just very, very fair all the time. I can look a little more tan with this stuff, so love that. Next, we will talk about Lush. Now, if you have not been in a Lush store, you're missing out. Like, I can smell in the mall. Like, I'm like, there's a Lush store in here. Let's go. I smell it. It's calling me. I need to go. Yes, it is more pricey, but they are all natural, really amazing skincare. One thing that's really awesome about Lush is they do not test their products on animals. They only purchase it from ingredient suppliers who do not test on animals also. So they're very, very against animal testing in all the whole process of getting their ingredients and everything. The first thing that I love is their dry shampoo. It's called No Drought, and it's a powder, like you just kind of sprinkle it on. This is vegan and self-preserving, and it lasts forever. I've been using this for probably 3-4 years now. This is only my second bottle, and it is almost gone, but like the bottle is $15. No, this bottle is only $9, a little under $9. So what I do is I'll use this at night. So I'll go in and I'll kind of do this with my hair, kind of do that, and then I'll sprinkle it and kind of tap it and like massage it in. So I'm not just applying it directly on my scalp. I kind of just get the whole, you know, root area of my hair and just kind of disperse it. But if you do it the same day, it can leave a little bit of a white cast because it is a white powder. So I would just make sure you use it like the night before, and it just works great. It smells really nice and fresh too. I love it. So another Lush favorite is the Ocean Salt face and body scrub. I am obsessed with this scrub, but it smells like ocean and salt. Like, it literally smells like ocean salt. It's just the best. I use it for my face. I haven't used it for my body, but I'm sure it'd be amazing for that. I like to get the smaller ones because it's pricey, and I just use it on my face. But it's just the best scrub. It says our best-selling vodka-infused scrub for bright, smooth skin. It says it has a mineral-rich mix of fine and coarse sea salt for serious exfoliation, balanced with coconut oil and avocado butter to soften the skin. This scrub, it just makes your skin like exfoliated, but also so smooth and soft and hydrated at the same time because of the coconut and avocado oil that's in here. So it's just the best feeling. I don't know, you feel so good and clean, but yet moisturized and smooth at the same time. And I don't even know, like, I will probably repurchase this forever because I'm in love with it. Okay, next thing from Lush is their Rose Jam shower gel. It just smells so good. It is vegan and self-preserving also. I'm not a rose scent person usually, but for some reason, I don't know what this smell, it just smells so good. It says it's a lemon rose shower gel made with vanilla pod infusion, goji berry juice, and nourishing argan oil to leave the skin soft, hydrated, and sweetly scented. The smell. If you guys have ever used their Turkish Delight shower smoothie, which they don't have anymore, that was my favorite thing from Lush. It had this beautiful rose scent. It was different than this. It wasn't quite the same smell. They're kind of similar, but I loved that stuff, and they discontinued it, and I am so sad because it was like, I can't even describe it, but Turkish Delight was so good, and they need to bring it back because I would buy like a ton of them. I would buy them all because I love it. So I wanted to talk about a couple of toothpastes that I found that I really like. So this is the Dr. Bronner's, I know it's like squished, it's almost gone. Dr. Bronner's all-in-one toothpaste. It is peppermint. It says the purest organic ingredients. There's no synthetic preservatives, no detergents, no foaming agents, only the purest organic ingredients. So I just really like that. It tasted really nice. The only thing that I didn't love about this one was it was really thick. So it was really hard to squeeze out of the tube. I don't know if that's all of them or just this particular batch or something, but it wasn't that bad that I wouldn't use it again. I definitely do like it and would definitely use it again. Another toothpaste that I found is these Hello brand. I found these at Target. They have them in all different types. This one is activated charcoal and hemp seed oil, and it's like an epic whitening fluoride-free toothpaste. Fluoride-free is definitely important to me. I always get fluoride-free. But the only thing about this is that it is black. Any of the charcoal toothpastes are just pure black, and they do get really messy. Like when you're brushing your teeth and you spit it out, it's just like black everywhere, which is kind of annoying, but I don't know, I really like it, and it's something that's kind of annoying, but not enough to make me not want to use it. So I found two different toothpastes that I really like, so I was sharing those. Now let's talk about deodorant. So a long time ago, several years ago, I wanted to switch to aluminum-free deodorant because that was just something that I kept seeing everywhere, that it was really bad to have aluminum in your deodorant and be putting it on every day, absorbing it into your skin. So I found this, it says Natural Protection Crystal Body Deodorant Spray. And it says no aluminum chlorohydrate, whatever that means. So I was using this for a long time. It works really well. It is the best like spray on deodorant I've found that like works really, really well. Like I never get like any odor if I use this. But with this one, I was reading something and it was talking about how a lot of these deodorants say they don't have aluminum chlorohydrate, but they do have a different form of aluminum, and it just says alum, and it says natural mineral salts on the side. And I have kind of researched it a little bit, and it's something that I feel like there's not enough research on to know if it's safe or not, because it is natural, but it's still aluminum. So I don't know. And I just was like, you know what? I'm done with this. I'm going to find something. I threw it, apparently. I'll find something else. So I found the Myro deodorant, which is really nice. The smell is great. I really love this, and I ordered it off their website the first time, but now it's available at Target. So that's really nice. This is the Chill Wave scent that I get, and I haven't smelled the others, but the Chill Wave just smells really nice. The scent, I guess, for Chill Wave is spearmint, jasmine, and cucumber. It's vegan, paraben-free, and aluminum-free. And the cool thing about this one is you buy this plastic container and then you get refills. So you don't actually have all the waste. You just have like this little kind of plastic cartridge in the bottom that you throw away, but it's not like a full tube. And it does work really, really well. The only thing I'll say about this is that I feel like the formula, like it kind of separates sometimes and gets a little melty sometimes. If you don't mind that, then it really works really nice, and the scent is amazing. Another deodorant that I found that really works is the Zion Health Clay Dry Deodorant. This, like, if you are like me where you like to feel dry, this will help keep you dry in there. Like, it's a clay, so when you first put it on, it's kind of hard. Like, it kind of drags on your skin a little bit, which the first time I was like, wait, this is annoying, like why is it like that? But having your underarms just dry and no sweat and no odor, like it's totally worth it. This is vegan and no aluminum. The original is almost like a citrusy scent, a very light citrus scent, but they do have other scents and they smell really nice. It says no propylene glycol, no aluminum, vegan, no animal testing, and no paraben. So that's really nice. Next is the Nubian Heritage body lotions. My favorite is the honey and black seed. I've also used, I think it's chai and goat's milk or something. They're just really good. They're really hydrating. They're a very thick formula. So I just love every day. I like get a huge handful and just slap it on. It says antioxidant rich black seed oil blended with Arabian honey and apricot oil enrich this luxurious moisturizing body lotion. Natural enzymes, amino acids, and proteins boost the skin's natural appearance while smoothing the skin, leaves skin soft and hydrated. I've just really been enjoying these lotions. Like the Bath & Body Works lotions I used to use a lot, but I feel like they're just too strong and like artificial, and I just didn't enjoy them throughout the day. It was kind of like give me a headache kind of thing. So these I just really love. They never given me a headache. It's just this nice, beautiful scent that just lasts all day, and I love it. Next, I'm going to talk about a couple of products from, it's called Awaken Joy by Amy Alicia, and she's this really sweet lady. She reached out to me and wanted to send me some of her stuff and to try out, so I will just talk about the things that I think are amazing. First is this cleansing balm, which it's just like this little metal tin, and you guys know I love a cleansing balm to get off my makeup. I feel like they just work really well to kind of lift off all the makeup, and then you just rinse them off. Then you can go in with your regular face wash. I really enjoy doing that instead of using an actual like makeup remover on a cotton pad or a makeup remover wipe. I just enjoy that process a lot better. This one, like, it has like the faintest like it reminds me of just a spa, like kind of like lavender, but like I'm not sure, but it just smells really, really nice. So when you're putting it on, it's just kind of this calming like scent, and you're just like, ooh, that feels nice. And it's just kind of a enjoyable experience. I'm all about the experience when it comes to skincare, and I just really love the scent of it. It's just a really smooth formula, but this has a lot of great ingredients in it. So it's got safflower and pumpkin seed oils, rosehip seed oil, which is high in vitamin C, which hydrates, exfoliates, and brightens. So there's just a lot of great little things in here, and just the smell is nice. The feeling of your skin after you use it is nice. I just love it. So there's that. And then also her lip scrubs. So, oh, it smells so good. This is the coconut latte one. And I like I want it like a candle in this scent. It just smells so good, and it's really nice. It's a very fine sugar scrub, which a lot of scrubs I find are like more of the thicker, coarser scrub. But this one's a nice fine one, so it's just really nice. I don't know, I just loved the lip scrub. Thought that was really nice, so I thought I'd talk about that. And in this is sunflower oil, avocado oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, beeswax, vitamin E, fine cane sugar, honey, powder, and flavoring. Fine sugar, so that's why it's nice and fine. And it just feels really nice on the lips. Just like a really nice, beautiful skincare line, Awaken Joy by Amy Alicia. And again, thank you for sending me these. I'm really enjoying them. Finally, I wanted to talk about sunscreen. Hopefully this video is not a million years long. So this sunscreen, this is the Australian Gold Mineral Lotion Non-Greasy Antioxidant Rich Tinted Sunscreen for the face. It's a SPF of 50. And I really like this one for the face. It is definitely not greasy, and it's got like a little tint. So when you put it on, it just kind of helps smooth out and even your skin tone. Under makeup, it doesn't do anything weird. It doesn't, you know, make your makeup fall apart. I really like it. It is a mineral sunscreen. Can I talk? So it's better to use mineral sunscreens, and they use zinc oxide and titanium oxide as active ingredients, and the minerals sit on top of your skin and reflect the UV rays, whereas the chemical sunscreens absorb into your skin, and that's why it's just not good for you. So anytime you can do a mineral sunscreen, it's definitely better. I also love the Pacifica ones. They're all so good. They have different scents, but if you get the ones that say glow, like this is the coconut glow, so it goes on and it gives you like a little bit of a bronze, but also like a, is there shimmer? I don't even know if there's shimmer in it or not, but it's a more like oily, greasy formula. So if you don't like that feeling, do not get this one. But for me, I love that like glow that it gives you when your skin's more like oily in the summer, you know. It's definitely one of those things that, like, if you're okay with that feeling, it just looks really gorgeous, and just kind of, it just makes your body look better when you're, you know, out in the summer and your legs are out, or if you're in a bathing suit, whatever. It just makes you feel a little bit better when you have a little bit of bronzing effect from this, and then like that nice glow. I wouldn't use this on like my kids or anything. I did one time because I didn't have their regular sunscreen, and they hated it. They were like, this is gross, why did you do this to me? For me, I love it, and it smells really nice. So okay, now that I think I've been talking for like an hour, that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload 3 times a week, and if you want to be notified when I upload, ring the little notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye.